Welcome to Spanish Taster. Today we're going to make a classic dish using chorizo and chickpeas. This is a great all-round dish, so you will need 1 Spanish chorizo. This is an uncured sausage, so we have to cook it. 200 grams of cooked and drained chickpeas, half a red onion sliced thin, a grated tomato and some chopped parsley and 1 clove of minced garlic. So just get a small pan with some olive oil, and when it's medium to hot, put in your sliced onion and cook it until it softens. I sliced this on a mandolin because I wanted it to cook quickly. Alright, put in your chorizo and let that brown a little. If you're using Mexican chorizo, the recipe will still work, but it will be a bit spicier than what you get in Spain. We don't use chili or anything like that much. Alright, then put in the garlic and just give it a few seconds so that it doesn't burn. About 20 seconds is good. And then throw in the tomato. Alright, cook that down for a couple of minutes and then throw in your drained chickpeas. Stir them through and then put the lid on for a few minutes to keep the moisture in and to let the beans heat through. I don't usually add any extra seasoning. I find I get enough flavour from the chorizo, but you can taste it at this point and add a little extra salt if you like. Then you just need to sprinkle on your chopped parsley and stir that through, and your dish is ready to go. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to Spanish Taster if you want more Spanish recipes and information about Spanish ingredients. Thanks for watching. See you next time.